Understanding in trouble, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to look at a phrase that you've probably heard quite often, in trouble. This is a phrase that pops up in many contexts, so it's important to know what it means and how to use it correctly. Let's dive in and explore this common English expression together. When someone is in trouble, it generally means they are in a situation where they face potential or actual problems, difficulties, or punishment. It's used in various situations, ranging from playful and mild to serious and legal. The key here is the context, which can change the severity of the trouble one is in. In everyday situations, in everyday conversation, saying someone is in trouble might just mean they have made a small mistake or are facing a minor difficulty. For example, if a child breaks a vase, they might be in trouble with their parents. At school or work, in academic or professional settings, in trouble can mean failing to meet expectations or breaking rules. A student who hasn't done their homework or an employee who's late for work could be described as being in trouble. In legal and serious matters, when it comes to the law, being in trouble is much more serious. It implies that someone is at risk of legal penalties. For instance, someone who has been caught stealing might be in trouble with the law. Let's look at some examples of how in trouble is used in sentences. 1. The kids are in trouble for fighting in the playground. 2. I heard that he's in trouble with the police. 3. You'll be in trouble if you don't finish your report on time. 4. She knew she was in trouble when she saw her test score. Notice how in trouble can easily be adapted to different subjects and tenses while maintaining its core meaning. You can modify the phrase, in trouble, to show the severity of the situation by adding adjectives or by the way you describe the consequence. 1. Deep trouble indicates a very serious situation. 2. Little trouble suggests a minor problem. 3. Big trouble implies greater problems and is often used to stress the seriousness. For example, you're going to be in deep trouble if you don't start behaving. She was in a little trouble over the misunderstanding at work. Understanding how to use in trouble in past, present, and future tenses is crucial for correct grammar usage. Here's how you can form sentences in different tenses. Past, he was in trouble for skipping class yesterday. Present, she is in trouble now for not following instructions. Future, they will be in trouble if they don't arrive on time. I hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion you had about the phrase, in trouble. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice, so try to use in trouble in your conversations when appropriate. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.